Hello friends, today I'll discuss about Emperor Tarot card. If Empress is about raw wild growth, Emperor is about giving structure to that raw wild growth. Empress signifies nature. Emperor carries wide signification of that is marrying social world to nature. Emperor, it represents manifestation of balanced masculine energy. It's all about rules and rationality, power, authority, structure, control. It's strong yang energy. That's why it demands action, getting things in motion. It is major arcana card. So it represents energies which is beyond personalities, beyond preferences, will. So beyond fatherly figure, it also represents social structure. Social structure, it means totality, society in totality, framework of society, how you interact with each other, how you interact with institutions in the society, norms and codes in the society. Like in Indian society, girls, they go to boys' place after marriage. Arranged marriages are preferred here. Besides, it also represents your daily routine, regularities in the societies, including inequality in the society, hierarchy system, patriarchal nature of the society, everything in the society, education system, how you bring up your kids, how you take care of your kids, whatever is present in the society is included in the social structure. Law and order, vision for better society, ideas to bring changes in the social structure, that is revolutionary ideas. It represents decisions which are made by out of touch leaders, that is head of the society or prime minister, president. It represents all the organizations, institutions, group or person who wields power on you, including you. It's all about discipline. It's not about freedom. It represents your personal laws, personal principles, personal values. It's all about laying strong foundations, doing grounding work. For example, if you are organizing a workshop, it's all about setting up the rules, assigning roles, ensuring safety, creating boundaries for self-care, laying foundations whether in home, whether in office, whether in any institute, organization. It could be setting your daily routine, because it's Emperor is not about procrastination. To beat your procrastination, when you set up your routine, it also represents Emperor card's energy. Empress is raw wild growth. It's chaos. When life was created here on earth, there was a lot of chaos, confusion. Similarly, when the child is born in the family, there is excitement, chaos, confusion. Even child is confused, panicky, excited. But Emperor, he gives structure to that raw wild growth. He is just like a garden, an organized farm. Emperor, he organizes in order to produce which lasts beyond that initial creative impulse. For example, at homes we have disciplined environment, rules, regulations, boundaries, safety, security, so that we grow into well balanced and successful human beings. Emperor and Empress, they don't represent males and females in real life. While male can behave like an empress, female can behave like an emperor in real life. Emperor card, it also looks like Hierophant card sometimes, but you have to see there is basic difference between both these two cards. Hierophant is also a leader, but his power comes from knowledge and tradition. In astrology, Emperor card is represented by Aries sign, which is cardinal sign. People born under cardinal sign, they are leaders, they are initiators. They drive their power by force. In case of Hierophant, you have the option whether to follow him or not, but in case of Emperor, you don't have the option, you have to follow him. In case of upright Emperor readings, he represents balanced masculine energy. In fact, he makes rules, he demolishes, he overthrows old traditions and replaces with relevant rules, regulations, which are for the betterment of the society, which are for greater good. In case of reversal readings, Emperor could represent follower of those irrelevant traditions, but in case of upright readings, he is visionary. Just like a fool, he also has the willingness to dive into an adventure. But you can see here number 4. Number 4 in numerology, it's all about stability, it's all about organization, structure, boundaries, safety, security. So with energy of number 4, Emperor has control, he has boundaries, he doesn't take leap of faith, he takes calculated risks, he has scars, he is experienced person, not childlike like our fool. Besides construction, building, they are beneficial aspects of Mars, which is the ruling planet of Aries zodiac sign. Mars is all about construction, it's all about building. So every building in its physical form needs strong foundation. Similarly, at homes, at offices, in organization, we need strong structures in the form of defined rules, defined roles, safety, security, boundaries, so that both organizations and people, they thrive in the long run. Emperor card also represents sound business policy, and in some cases it also represents advice from genuine leader. Romance is not at the top of agenda in case of relationship, while stability and security is priority there. Life situations represented by Emperor are: first one is rising to position of power, second, reaching a high point in one's career, becoming your own boss, issues with power, encounters with a powerful person, authoritarian politics and political figures, learning the rules, fatherhood, defending something or someone, taking on responsibility, deciding what rules to live by, taking a stand. This card represents father figure. It means that you are taking on fatherly role, whether you are man or woman, by taking care of your family and protecting and defending them. You may be main source of income or rock for people who depend on you for security and stability. It shows your life is stable. You are in charge of everything. Everything is going well. You have gotten this far because of your hard work, discipline, self-control. It means you are in charge of your life and set your own rules and limits. It's about leadership that ensure everyone gets heard and looked after. You care a lot about your status, power, and reputation. You feel most at home in position of leadership where you can tell people what to do. You have to rule with fairness and firmness. You have clear idea of what you want to make and you get people to help you make it happen. You pay attention to what other people say, but you like to have last word. This card favors responsibility. Whether the question is about work, family, or even self-improvement, be ready to take more responsibility. This card is also a sign of knowledge and skill about whole world. You have gained valuable wisdom and life experience over the course of your life, and now you enjoy giving guidance and direction to someone who could use it. You might be a teacher, coach, boss, or just a good friend who likes to share what they have learned with others so they can be as smart and strong as they are. It could also represent strong women. People usually think of the emperor as a father or husband. This card can also be about a strong, sure of herself woman in your life. People represented by emperor are stable and reliable friends and partners. They can be distant and hard to connect with. Don't count on them to show a lot of emotion. When they are at their best, they are fair and responsible. We are looking for long-term relationships, stability. Emperor represents an older, well-established individual who has trouble expressing themselves. Work and career. Your hard work, focus, and organization may be helping your career. The Emperor advises job seekers to be disciplined, efficient, and persistent. If your work process is currently chaotic, it may be time to introduce new approaches to assist you and your colleagues cooperate more effectively. It might also represent a more senior co-worker or boss who can help you advance in your profession. In spirituality, it suggests staying on your current path. For spirituality, you need to balance your divine masculine and feminine energies. So we need both structure and surrender there. Reverse Emperor indicates masculine energy is out of balance and has become destructive to your spiritual journey. For health, it encourages self-care, balance, and importance of listening to one's body. If you are dealing with an illness, seek appropriate medical counsel. You may be too hard on your body. Avoid punishing exercise regimes and be kind to yourself. Work with your energy levels and not against. Get traditional medicines. Positive attributes, that is in case of upright readings, it indicates self-motivated, visionary, effective, productive, forceful, strong, ability to delegate, confident, ambitious, strong boundaries, ability to defend oneself, experienced, secure, rational, orderly person. In case of reverse readings, it indicates distanced, inflexible, commanding, stubborn, stuck in old ways, authoritarian, judgmental, aggressive, unimaginative, cautious, conventional, focus on the rules at the expense of individuals. Finally, this card is about discipline, not freedom. It's about pragmatism, seriousness, mind over emotions. Unfortunately, our society has been shaped by negative aspects of this card. That is colonialization, slavery, exploitation, sexism, capitalism. They are the qualities of reversed emperor card, that is negative qualities. Fortunately, we are becoming aware and we are making slowly and steadily changes in the form of Me Too movement, equality, decolonization. In a way, our society is moving towards more egalitarian and compassionate paradigm. Thank you.